Good morning from the Doubletree by Hilton here at the Manchester Airport in the UK. Today we are flying directly from here to Orlando because we have a friend's wedding. We spent the night here last night, literally just came here to sleep, and now we are off today. But I want to take the first part of this video to explain why we're flying from Manchester to Orlando and how much it's going to cost us. Okay, so basically if you saw our video of us flying from Chicago to Amsterdam, I explained that we flew via KLM but booked it through Virgin Atlantic using points. Pretty much did the exact same thing. Basically, since I was already on Virgin Atlantic, I figured I would take a look and see what kind of flights we could take from Europe to Orlando to get to this wedding that we're going to without having to do too much moving around, really. And I found these flights from Manchester to Orlando. So I figured we could spend one night here after flying from Amsterdam, short 1 hour flight, and then we could fly from here to Orlando. But the kicker is this only costs each of us 12,500 points and about $250 US in taxes and fees. And the flight normally would have cost $2,200 according to Google Flights if we were to pay cash for this flight. That is a point redemption, I think around 15 cents per point, which is our best point redemption, I think, to date, ever. But yeah, we're flying economy, so it's nothing special, but saved us a lot of money and a lot of hassle, I think. So that's kind of the lowdown about how we are flying from here to Orlando and why we are and how much it costs. We love to use points. They are a great tool to use whenever possible to save money, especially when you get a good redemption like this, or you get a good transfer bonus, like I explained in our other video that I mentioned previously. But we gotta go to the airport because we have a flight to catch in about 2 hours. Down the darkest hallway I've ever had in a hotel room. Thankfully, the airport is only a 15-minute walk from our hotel.
Hopefully less.
Hopefully less.
There is a shuttle from our hotel, but you have to pay for it, which I think out of principle you shouldn't have to do if you're advertising as a airport hotel. So we're just gonna walk to the airport along this beautiful highway. There are some sidewalks, so it is safe to do so, but we get to enjoy this beautiful view. At least it's a beautiful day. It's not raining at all.
Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to Orlando's International Airport, where the local time here is 4:50 in the evening.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Officially made it to Orlando.
From the rainy UK to hot and humid Florida, we made it to Orlando. Honestly, probably the fastest global entry and re-entry into the US process that we've had in a significantly long time. It took us like 20 minutes. It was awesome. Points for Orlando, I guess, but let's go get to the Airbnb.
Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. That didn't go as well as I wanted to. But anyways, we are back in Chicago. We have made it back from the wedding. It's actually been a couple weeks since we initially filmed that first part of that video. October was busy. We had a lot going on. I had a friend's birthday party. We just got back from a weekend celebrating my dad's 60th birthday. Surprise! and now it is getting super dark at like 4 p.m. So winter is here. It snowed yesterday in Chicago, but anyways, that wraps up today's video. The wedding was awesome. Congratulations again, Ainsley and Christian. Love you guys. So fun to see everybody again. And we will see you in the next video. I think our next video is gonna be us asking you for some help for our next travel plans to round out 2023. I can't believe it's coming to an end already, but see you then. Good morning from the, is this the Hilton Doubletree?
Yes.
All right, cool. Dark.